Okay, so 5 years ago, a company issued 10,000 20-year 1,000 par value bonds at par. At the time, the market rate for such bonds was 8%. The coupon is paid annually. Today, the actual market value of all the bonds together is 11,942,450. What is the yield to maturity of these bonds? So it's your yield to maturity is your overall return you get when you hold a bond from the time you buy it until it matures. Okay, so here we have this is the formula for the yield to maturity here. Okay, according to Papa's notes, it's the coupon payment plus the par value minus the price of the bond divided by the years to maturity divided by 2 times the price of the bond minus the par value divided by 3. Okay, now if you go on, this was Papa's formula, but if you go on the net and you see the other formulae here, it's just price of bond plus par value divided by 2. So we'll just have to use the formula which your lecturer gave so that you get all the marks. Okay, so let's see. Coupon payment 8% of this.
Yes, I want to find that, but you can still get the same answer.
You won't get the same. You won't get the same answer.
It will be different.
It will be different. This thing makes the denominator a bit big.
Right.
Yes, but let's say to be on the safe side, since it's from his notes where I got his formula. Okay, let me just show you. Let me also show you how the formula looks in case you see it in the exam. Yes. This one here. PMT coupon payment. MV, this is par value, okay, or maturity value. Okay, MV maturity value or par value, because that's what you get when a bond matures. VB price of the bond. N years to maturity. 2 times VB, 2 times price of the bond. Oh, it's plus here, not minus. It's good, I want to see. Yes. Plus the maturity value or par value. Okay, so let me put this here so that when you study these notes, you won't get confused. MV, which is the maturity value, is also equal to the par value. Okay. Yes. Okay, so we need to get the coupon payments. 8% of 1,000 . 8% of 1,000, we get, what's 8% of 1,000? 80 kwacha, if I'm not mistaken. 80 kwacha. The par value or the maturity value is 1,000. Price of the bond they told us they gave us the overall price, so we have to find the price of one bond. So they issued 10,000 bonds, so we divide this amount by 10,000 to find the price of one bond. So we're going to do 11 million $11,942,450 divided by 10,000. What do we get, colleagues, when you divide these two? $11,942,450 divided by 10,000. $1,194.25. Okay. Yes. So we can put in the formula. So coupon payment kwacha. Par value 1,000. Price of the bond 1,194.25. Years to maturity. What did they say in this question for years to maturity? 20 year. 20 years. Then here, price of the bond 1,000, 194.25. Par value 1,000. Probably asking which tabulation should I start with first. Okay, you start with the fractions which are within the fractions. Okay, so 1,000 minus 1,194.25. Yes, negative 194.25. Okay, then here you can do 2 times 1,194.25. you get 2,300. And 88.5. Then we're going to say negative 194.25 divided by 20. Negative 194.25 divided by 20. get negative 9.7125. Negative negative 9.7125 here. 2003 88.5 plus 1000 becomes 3388.5. Okay. So you're going to say 80 minus 9.7125. Minus 9.7125, 70.28 basically. Then this 300388.5 divided by 3, 300388.5 divided by 3, we get 1129. 1129.5. So 70.8 divided by 1129.5, we get 0.063, which becomes 6.3%. Okay, or 6% as a whole number, just 6%. Yes. Any questions? Now, colleagues, what if the bond was paying semi-annual coupon payments? What would we have done? When it's paying semi-annual coupon payments, you adjust this coupon payment, you still divide it by 2. But when you get your final answer, because that final answer is just representing 6 months, so you need to multiply it by 2. Okay, when you get your final answer, multiply it by 2, because what you've calculated is just for 6 months. That's due to maturity for 6 months, so you need to multiply by 2. Okay, if the bond, they have mentioned anything about it being semi-annual. Okay, you divide the coupon payments by 2, and then whatever answer you get at the end, multiply it by 2.